Embarking on the journey of semen retention can be a life-changing decision, yet it often comes with unexpected challenges, one of the most notorious being the flatline. This phenomenon, akin to post-acute withdrawal syndrome, PAWS in addiction recovery, can cast a shadow over your newfound vitality. However, understanding the flatline and employing effective strategies can transform it from a daunting hurdle into a springboard for personal growth and resilience. Understanding the flatline PAWS phenomenon. The flatline, or PAWS, encompasses a spectrum of symptoms including anhedonia, mood swings, depression, lack of libido, and brain fog. This phase arises as the brain endeavors to recalibrate its neurochemistry following the cessation of habitual stimuli, such as pornography and masturbation. It's crucial to recognize that the duration and intensity of flatlines vary widely among individuals, influenced by factors like the severity of addiction and personal biochemistry. Now I will give you some strategies for conquering flatlines. 1. Maximizing brain health. Prioritize essentials like proper nutrition, sufficient sleep, and regular exercise. Nutrient-dense whole foods, adequate protein intake, and anti-inflammatory choices form the cornerstone of brain-nourishing habits. 2. Dopamine restoration. Combat the diminished dopamine response resulting from PMO cessation by incorporating supplements like L-tyrosine or DL-phenylalanine as precursors. Enhance dopamine sensitivity with adaptogens like gynostemma and cordyceps, fostering motivation and pleasure responses. 3. Environmental enrichment. Cultivate a dynamic living environment conducive to mental stimulation, social interaction, and physical activity. Engage in diverse experiences from outdoor excursions to learning new skills, fostering neuroplasticity and resilience. 4. Wim Hof Method. Harness the power of breathwork and cold exposure to reduce inflammation, elevate mood, and boost energy levels. This scientifically backed technique offers a natural, accessible means of invigoration and stress resilience. 5. Embrace discipline over motivation. Recognize that motivation fluctuates, but discipline endures. Cultivate unwavering commitment to your goals, anchoring your journey in consistent, intentional action rather than fleeting inspiration. Conclusion: navigating flatlines on the semen retention path demands resilience, adaptability, and self-compassion. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth, leveraging holistic strategies to emerge stronger and more empowered. By prioritizing brain health, restoring dopamine function, enriching your environment, and embracing discipline, you can conquer flatlines and thrive on your journey to self-mastery and vitality. Keep persevering, for the rewards of semen retention extend far beyond the transient discomfort of flatlines. You got this, King.